Hi, I'm Brian Wicks from St John's Grammar School in Belair.
Josephine Mick,
we're here to tell you about the 2015 St John's Grammar School Ninaku Art Show. It's happening on the 13th of March, and it's an opportunity for you to come along, appreciate some Aboriginal art and even purchase a piece. And it's in support of bringing students from the remote community of Pipilajara down to Adelaide for the Womadelaide Festival. Josephine, can you tell us what's important about the artwork that we'll see at the Ninaku Art Show?
Art show,
So Josephine's saying the important thing about the art show is it's an opportunity to bring the children down from Pipilajara, but it's also a chance for you and the children here in Adelaide to learn about the true story of Anangu culture, the true story of the stories and the lore of the land from around Pipilajara. So we want you to come and share with that, and Anangu are very keen to share their stories with you about their culture. So the art show is happening on the 13th of March. If you'd like more details, please go back to the St John's website. It's a great opportunity, it'll be a very relaxed night, a great opportunity to share culture. Here Josephine speaks some more about the importance of artwork, and more importantly, you might even be able to buy a piece of artwork and support getting these students from Pipilajara to Adelaide. Thank you. Gigi? Okay, so there's children here? Yeah. Okay. And these guys
Amy come down, and wife and parent, your baby. No food here.
No food for the baby?
For the kids. But he ate our kids here. Amy kids here in the cave.
Ah.
Trick one.
So who has the kids in the cave? The Amy?
Amy.
Amy, okay.
And we come to tricking. To church. And we went back on the road. And we did all over our matter, drinking. Our widow, she's a laboratory full of heart and really good. And coming away with her, wedding. Over email, all the poor learning,
So bush turkey cut emu's arms off. So that's why the emu has no wings. Oh. So these are the children over here. Oh. And they run away? Okay. No?
Okay.
Yeah, it's because he lost his arms. Thank you, Josephine.